this is Chris. This is just to make a simple item for Minecraft 1.6.2. So first, if you've not made any mods at all, you're gonna come up, you're gonna open Eclipse, you're gonna click on Client, Source, net.minecraft.source, and this is all the Javas. I'm assuming that you've already decompiled your .jar, so you're gonna right click on net.minecraft.source, go to new, go to file. Now I've already made mine, but you're gonna do mod underscore whatever you want. Mine's mod underscore tutorial. You're gonna push finish and it'll open up this, but it'll be blank. And then you're just gonna need to put package net.minecraft.source. This is for later mods, so don't worry about that. Then you need public class, whatever the name of your file is, extends base mod. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Then you're going to need public void load, and then curly brackets, and then public string with a capital S get version. And then you're just going to return whatever string, you can call it anything you want. I just call mine tutorial. Yeah, and then okay, first thing for making a item is you're going to need public static item, and then whatever you want to call it thing, equals new, let me check real quick, yeah, new, and then item, new item, yeah. And then this requires 2, which is the item ID, which you should do over 3000, but since I already have 3000, I'll just do 3100. And then you're gonna need its, oh jeez, no, that's it, you don't need anything else. And then you just do set creative tab, and my Eclipse is lagging. Okay, so set creative tab, creative tabs dot, and this is gonna be an item, so we'll just put it in miscellaneous. Okay, and then you're gonna need to do set unlocalized name, and this is what your PNG file is. So I'll just put thing, and you don't need to put .png at the end. It automatically knows it's looking for a PNG. And there's the new thing for 1.6.2. It's this weird function. Function underscore 111206 underscore D. This you need, or else it won't show your texture. Without that, I tried to do it without it and it wasn't working properly. So, but another thing you can do is you could also do set potion effect, which is like if you want to set a potion effect. Let me see. set potion effect, and then you can go and find whatever potion you want, kind of effect you want to give it. Okay, and then now we need to make its name. So that's mod loader dot add name, and then the object is the thing you just created. So you're gonna put this, whatever you put here, and then the string is whatever you want its name to be inside um, inside Minecraft, like when you hover your mouse over it, whatever you want its name to be. Thing. Okay, now you're gonna need one more thing. Let's find load. Oh, recipe. So you can just take loader.recipe. Okay, what's the problem here? Okay, and this is new item stack. I'm just gonna steal it from over here. I'll explain this in a second. Okay, so new item stack, which means when you do this recipe in the crafting table, you're gonna get whatever this is. So this is the thing. You're gonna get this, and then this is how many you're gonna get. So right now you're only gonna get one. I can change it to like 10, and I'll get 10 at a time. Okay, and then this is actually what the recipe is. So let's get rid of all this. So it is an array. So you're gonna have 3 different double quotes, like the 3 rows in the crafting table. Each of them have 3 slots to equal a total of 9. So if we want, what item should we use? You can use any variable in here, but it's best to normally choose like I put D. I can use diamond, or I could do dirt. Um, and then you're gonna do single quotes, just the single tick, not the double quotes, and then comma, and then you're gonna have whatever the single quote is. So it's gonna be item dot dirt, and then what's wrong with this? Oh no, not item, block. Block dot dirt. My apologies. So that's a recipe, and then if we just save this and go in, it's not gonna have a texture because I didn't put one in the file, but sorry for the lag. So I mean, you could do anything with the recipe. Um, it doesn't have to be full, and if you want like a torch, you can do on any column a stick and a coal. Then you wouldn't fill them all up. You'd just put, like if I just wanted a column of dirt to make this in any column, I just put 1D in each of these, opposed to the 3Ds to fill them up. I'm doing creative just so I can show you the, yeah, see, unable to load. I'll show you guys how to do that. With the new update, it's kind of weird with the textures because you don't just put them in the Minecraft.jar. You have to find the specific um, .jar for the version that you're gonna run, and it's super hard to find in the MCP. Any day now. Okay. Now we put it in miscellaneous. So now for search thing, see there's no texture, but it's there. And then if we get a crafting table, crafting table, and then dirt. And we fill it up. One second. Fill it up. We get a thing. But there's no texture, so let me show you guys how to do that. Okay. So you open up your MCP, and then in jars, you'll have this. This is, of course, after you've already decompiled. You won't be able to do anything like anything at all unless you decompile it, which is opening this up. You stick the Minecraft server.jar and the Minecraft.jar, I think. Stick them in there, and then you'll decompile, which is this one. And then that'll decompile, and you'll have everything like I do. So you go into here, you go into versions. Right now I only have 1.6.2. I haven't messed around with any of the other versions. Open that folder up, and you will right click on the .jar, open it with WinRAR, 7-zip, whatever your heart desires. And this opens. You go into Assets, Minecraft, Textures. Since it's an item, you'll go into Items, and these are all the items. So you'll drop your texture into here after you made it, and then it'll work. Or if you just want to give it some other texture, you can come into here and go like apple. You can make it look like an apple, and then save that. Now it should look like an apple whenever you run it. Any day now. Sorry, my computer's running really slow. Did it find the texture this time? So we have thing. See, thing looks like an apple. So yeah, that's how to make an item. Thank you for watching. This was my first tutorial, so if you have any hints, tricks for me or whatever, let me know. Thank you.